Welcome to AZ Superbox. In this video, we are thrilled to showcase the top 5 best smart locks for your main door that combine convenience and security for your home. Smart locks have revolutionized home security, and these top picks have been carefully selected to provide the ultimate in safety and accessibility. Please note that the smart locks mentioned in this video are not listed in any specific order. If you're looking to upgrade your home's security and simplify access to your main door, you've come to the right place. These smart locks are equipped with cutting-edge technology, offering reliable protection and ease of use for your home. With their advanced features and user-friendly design, these smart locks will not only secure your main door but also provide convenient access and control. Each lock on our list has been chosen based on its quality, functionality, design, and overall customer satisfaction. Whether you prefer a keyless entry system or a smart lock with additional security features, our top 5 picks cover a range of styles and capabilities to cater to your specific needs. Our commitment to excellence ensures that these smart locks will seamlessly integrate into your home's security system, allowing easy access through smartphone apps, voice commands, and more. For more detailed information about the top 5 best smart locks for main doors we discuss, please check the links in the description below this video. You'll find pricing and additional details about each smart lock. If you seek a more comprehensive analysis and comparison, be sure to visit our website, azsuperbox.com. Our website offers comprehensive reviews and valuable insights to help you choose the perfect smart lock for your main door. So, without further ado, let's explore the world of the top 5 best smart locks for main doors and find the ideal one that provides the security and convenience you require for your home. If you find this video informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. We appreciate your support and eagerly anticipate bringing you more valuable home security reviews and recommendations. Now, let's get started.
Hey, did you remember to lock the front door?
No, did you?
On it. Hold on.
I think it's time to get a new lock. Ooh, I like that one.
So, do you want the keypad with the keys?
No, no more keys. I can see it now. The kids can let themselves in when they get home.
This is perfect for when they get home from practice.
So if I'm in my studio, the app will tell us when the kids are home. This is perfect for our family. This is a good one. My phone automatically unlocks the door. What do we ask the kids every day? Is the door closed?
You're right. Every day. Okay, we got the lock. Now the style.
On it. That's okay. Much better. And now for my lock. That's the one.
Wow. Great work.
You're welcome.
This is the ULTRALOQ Latch 5 Fingerprint Smart Lock, the world's first built-in Wi-Fi smart lever lock with fingerprint ID. Built-in Wi-Fi means no extra accessories and an even easier way to monitor all activity remotely. With an auto lock feature, so you'll always know that your door is locked. The numeric keypad has an anti-peep feature that allows you to enter your code embedded in a random group of numbers. And you'll be notified when your door has been opened. Whether you're at home or away, you can easily unlock your door with the app. With the touch of a button, your guests can walk right in. You can also create temporary access codes, which is perfect for Airbnb guests. Just set the code and send it to your guest. And when your hands are full, simply unlock the door with your Google Assistant or Alexa.
Hey Google, unlock the front door.
The Latch 5 will even send you a notification when the batteries are low. And with a physical key, you'll never have to worry about getting locked out. Weather can be unpredictable, which is why we made the Latch 5 waterproof. And the installation only takes a few minutes. Latch 5 Fingerprint, the world's first Wi-Fi smart lever lock with fingerprint.
Home. It's that special place where our fondest memories are made. Where the people we hold close come together to enjoy life and share stories from the day. Meet Level Touch. The only lock designed for the daily routines of everyone in your home. The first smart lock that elegantly matches your style on the outside and thoughtfully hides technology on the inside. A lock that you can open while on the move or close after you've already left. One that embraces simplicity and touches on something new. A lock that lets you welcome friends and family in with ease, so your home can always be full of the ones you love. Home is where your days begin and end. Welcome home.
This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockly, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockly can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened and when they closed, so you know exactly when people come and go. Customize your dates and times, and send guests access codes to be used, even without them downloading an app. So like Shelby, your next-door neighbor can come borrow some milk. When uninvited strangers attempt to guess the code to your door, you're protected by PIN Genie, an advanced security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. When you have family or guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in, simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockly comes in deadbolt, latch, and Mortise editions with various finishes. At Lockly, we're all about creating new memories so you can enjoy time with those that matter most. Alexa, lock my front door. Lockly, security redefined.
Hey, don't forget your lunch. See you tonight. Alexa, lock the door. Don't forget, Grandma's coming tonight. Yay, Grandma!
door locked?
Your front door is locked.